Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. In this video, we will discuss about basic operators which is used in C++ programming. So first we have to open our VS Code. So when VS Code is open, then in previous video, we have to see that basic program which is main.cpp, which we have to discussed in previous class. So basic syntax of C++ programming. In this video, we will discuss about basic operators, how to use operators in C++ programming language. Okay. So first we will make a new file. Okay. So his name is 2 underscore operators dot operators dot cpp. So first we have to write our basic syntax has include iostream using namespace std. Okay. So and we have to declare int main function of the program. So int main. Okay. So first we have to assign a value which has to be an integer. So first we have to write here int a is equal to 5. Okay. And also int b is equal to 4. Okay. And here we have to print that what is the multiplication of these two numbers, what is the addition of these two numbers, subtraction of these two numbers, and division of these two numbers. Okay. So we have to write here C out. Okay. uh, or you can see say C out value of, or let's value of a, and sorry, value of a plus b is okay. Then we have to write here a plus b, which to be an operator, a plus b. We have to write here and l, so that these statement next statement has to print on next line. So we have to use here and l. Okay. And same again, we have to write C out value of a minus b is same as a minus b, declare that value and end with this and l. Okay. And then we have to write here C out again, or you can use a shortcut. Okay. So that is a control and d, control plus d. So if you press the control D, then the whole line is implemented in the next line or copied in the next line. Again, we have to press control plus D. Then we have to change these operators. We have to shift this multiply and shift this division. Okay. Here we have to write that return value is 0. Okay. So we have to run this program, and if we have to run this program, then you will see that the value of a plus b, value of a minus b, I am so sorry for that. Here we have to change this also, a multiply and a divide by b. If we have to run the code, then it will give us a correct answer. So value of a plus b, which is equal to 9. If you can see this, a is 5 and b is equal to 4, then a plus b is equal to 9 and a minus b is equal to 1. And we have to see this 4 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 20. And here 5 divided by 4, which is equal to 1, but there is a some point, that is a 1 point something. So here we have to deal with the answer is integer. We have to define that it is an integer and it is an integer, so integer upon integer will give us a integer. While compiler give us to an integer value. So in next class we have to see how to convert the data type, one data type to another data type.